Welcome to another video, and it's that time of the month again, and this is going to be my May 2022 KDP income report. And if you're interested in seeing how it went, then check out this video. So my total income for the month of May 2022 was $838.10. And I'm glad my sales are going back up now, because from the start of January, they have been on the decline. But I know a lot of my books do favor the second half of the year, so I haven't really been too worried about it. Now, my biggest earning day for the month of May was actually the 17th, where I earned $49.38. And funny, just the day before was actually my lowest day, where I earned only $7.47. And then just to sum up, the total amount of books I sold for the month of May was 461. Now, taking a look at the different marketplaces is actually interesting to see this month that the UK absolutely dominated the majority of my sales, with 75% of my royalties coming from the UK and then 22% coming from the US, and still earning smaller amounts from Canada and France. Now, just taking a look at my best-selling books of the month. So my best-selling book continues to be my logbook, where I sold 196 copies and a gross royalty of $269.69, followed by a coloring book selling 38 copies, making $69.91. Then we've got another coloring book selling 16 copies and making $38.10. After this, we've actually got an activity book that sold 18 copies and made $56.48. And then finally, a calendar, which will start picking up during the second half of the year. And I sold 12 paperback copies, making $28.10. So I do also run ads on my books, and in the US, it's actually been my lowest spending month in a long time. I only spent $17.27. And you can see the ACOS is way over at 46.74%. So hopefully I'll work on this next month and focus on the ads that are more profitable in the US. Now, in the UK, it has been a whole different story, and the ads in the UK have been a lot more profitable for me this year. So I spent actually 210.42 pence with an ACOS of 23.95% and a total of 134 orders. And I'm kind of focusing a lot more on the UK market, as the competition is much less than the US market. And my main focus is to just keep ranking these books well for Q4, and hopefully the big sales will start rolling in then. And finally, just looking at Canada. So I only spent $5.24, and this had the best ACOS of them all of 20.43%, but it did only make me 2 sales, which is still something on top. So now just to work out my total income for the month then. So as I mentioned before, I earned $838.10. Then you have to minus all the ads. I am subject to a 20% value added tax just because I'm based in the UK. And then my other expenses for the month include my subscriptions, which is just Fiverr, Creative Fabrica, and Canva, which brings the total income for the month of May 2022 to $472.29. So thanks for taking the time to watch another income report video. These are honestly just to inspire you and to show you what is possible with KDP. I am hoping to upload 4 to 5 videos this month, but in the meantime, you can check out my previous income reports by clicking on this playlist.